This is going well.
Just shut up. Hello and fuck.
Hello.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Major Explorations. I am again exploring with the quintessential Purple Haze.
Purple Haze!
I don't know what we're exploring today. It looks like a giant old farm we saw on the side of the road. We're in Halifax County, Virginia.
Near Turbinville.
And we don't know how big this place is, so anyway, enjoy the show. Alright, that was fun. We'll see you guys next week.
We're done. Yep.
Actually, this place is kind of neat. It's the pulleys, man. It's got the pulleys. The pulleys.
That's where they had hogs or cows over there.
Let's go see the piglet apartments. This place is actually kind of big. You can't see it from the road. You can only see the silos. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's aluminum. Let's go around. Oh, as I step into a hole. Sizzle, sizzle on this date. We should do little PSAs. Do do do. Oh, this is cool. There's another building over there.
You know what this almost looks like? What? One of those places you go to pay on gold. It's not, but...
Look at them bearings, though.
Wow, that's actually impressive. But the stuff that came out of there...
It's, I'm pretty sure it's feed
it is.
For the moo cows. Because these are for cows. Pigs aren't that fucking big.
We'll let you lead the way. So I don't have my people with me.
That's okay. That's pretty much turned to dirt. Oh, you notice most of these are broken. I have no idea how big this place is, so it looks pretty damn big. Something was very angry in here. That or a truck backed into it. I like concrete buildings though. They're almost indestructible. Let's see some more great pulley bearings. This shit amazes me. It's a sliding door. It's a milking parlor. Oh wow, my camera's pointed at the ceiling because I'm retarded.
Oh,
anyway.
this is cool. It is a milking parlor.
Let me get a flashlight. Do me a favor.
Yes. Give her that spider right there.
Alright, I grabbed my flashlight, but anyway, we found some of these. It's cool.
Paraffin influence.
You got a date of expiration?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought that said 1994.
That's the lot number.
Yeah.
The manufacturer's date.
February.
January 2000.
I think this one says 05. 21st of February 05. I'm not sure. Okay then. Oh, that breeze feels nice. Oh, that's just where the door goes. It goes in here. these old school steps. Oh, you see? So they'd be up here on top, basically. 1, 2, 3, 4. They bring them in through those 2 sliding doors on either side. And it's kind of neat. I've never been in one, so I don't know that much about it. I know the generic layout, but that's it. Ooh, it's a whole lot of not roofing here. Thankfully, all the walls and floors are concrete, so yeah, it's one of the bigger areas. Just watch out for nails. Speaking of, how's your foot? Yeah, before we started filming, she stepped on a big ass nail.
No, that's wasps.
That's a lot of wasps.
That's a lot of fucking wasps.
Let's go this way. Away from the wasps. Oh, there are. There's all kinds.
Look, there's one of the milking cows. There's basin number
That's
one.
cool as shit.
They had documentation with the numbers for each one. Look, this big white one.
I'm surprised this place hasn't been raided by fucking druggies.
That's all it has.
Well, I don't know. Most of these are still in their wrappers.
There's a big white one.
Okay. What are these? Oh, look. There are whole boxes of this. What? Benzathine cloxacillin. Sterile dairy cow inflammatory infusion. There's boxes of them here. Ooh, that's a roach. Hey, roach. Oh, that's cool. I see, that's Frigidaire. There goes our refrigerator.
Mm-hmm. For all ice tray.
That's pretty cool. You see any other interesting? Yeah, I think this was just the room where they kept the medical stuff.
Yeah, this is where they kept the refrigerator units, because see, there's the AC. They kept all the medicine and the bug
That's actually kind of neat. It's like in the tile.
antibiotics and shit for the cow. After years.
All right, let's not go that way. That's a little
Oh, it's a concrete slab.
Yeah, but the roof is very.
We could just get it out.
Yeah, this is which way I'm going. No, I'm more talking about the roof spontaneously deciding to give out. Oh, was that a snake or a lizard? I'm gonna roll for a lizard here. It's probably a lizard. It's a little dry up here for a snake. It's dry and it's hot. I'm gonna make it wet. I'm gonna even roll. Oh, there's water in this room. There's a furnace for heat. I'm getting a little bit distracted with my camera work here. Apparently a bottle of something couldn't take it anymore. Took the easy way out.
It's like the tile in that one place.
Whoa, you see him?
Mm-hmm.
I hate those fucking things.
I hate ladybirds. They shit out of
And it's the great thing is they're house centipedes. If you mash them, they disintegrate and they keep going. Yeah, they're like, oh, fucking thing. That's something else they could just get rid of. Nice. Okay. Alrighty, well. We'll backtrack a little bit. Oh, it's not that bad in here. I'm surprised you're as hot-natured as you are.
Yeah, I haven't been this far before
That's the door to the outside. I don't know, is that another room you think? No, it goes to the outside. I think it's a big door frame. What do I do with my flashlight? I left it in the other room. That's very imps on the fucking floor in here. It goes outside. just gonna go through the easy way. Damn. See, these are designed to sort of funnel them in. Let's just walk. Okay. Actually, you think we can lift this?
I think we would be foolish to try. We just slip right through.
I'm lazy.
Oh no.
Let's just walk around the building. Oop, still can't remember how to operate my own camera. More vials. Drainage.
This one I had it right over and then lost shit.
Yep.
That's the door I just tried to get out of.
This place is kind of neat. Ooh.
Still smells like hell.
Yeah, I know. Actually, this is.
There's cow patties right out of the way.
Yeah, there are. That's nice. Thankfully, they're dry. This place is pretty. It's kind of odd. Oh, there's more barns this way. Where? Is it active? Oh no, there's a white one when we came in. Now see this, yeah, I'm gonna go for it. It's pretty eroded, but.
I wonder what's after water, because it seemed to be around. It wasn't a snake bite somewhere.
You're gonna give me a fucking heart attack, lady.
This one says so. What happened though? Because this was perfect.
What happens to everything? It doesn't become profitable. Probably died out in one of the recessions. They just couldn't make it. People approaching the house. Alright, we're gonna cut this while I get to this nonsense. We'll bring it back in a second. Alright, we made our way to the building, but we're gonna have to do some creative maneuver. Wow, it's a big spider. Shit, I don't even know if it's worth going through there. Are you okay? Does it go all the way to the end? I'm gonna go in through this way though. I got an opening. Make a way through this death trap. This is very treacherous. Hit anything like that, it could cause a sudden collapse. It doesn't really go all the way through. Oh, this way. I'm coming, shut up. Old tank. Oh damn. It's a heater. This heater factory equipped something.
Look at this heater that's over there. There's an empty feeling over here, but you see them fire out.
You want to go that way or you want this way? Let's try that way first. I'd rather not have to slide down a piece of my stuff unless I have to. That's big. Yeah. Alright, what was that white building we saw? I don't think
if you look, there's no sound, it looks like an active form.
I'm gonna take a look.
Yeah,
I'm gonna hold this.
I got you.
It's relevant.
I understand. Not totally incompetent. Just halfway. What is the little thing not standing?
It's just a tab. Oh my god, you gotta fucking turn around. It wasn't gonna hurt it. No. You can see where something got into this one.
Mm-hmm.
It's very tight. This is mode. Dodge Caravan. Stop. What could work? I don't know if it's abandoned or what. Like, it's fairly new. It's Dodge Caravan or Dodge something. It's a van or an SUV. Did you ever see those lines from the room? No, it didn't look like it. I mean, we're good here. The folks can follow us. Yep. Only thing is we have bikes, but they're on the other end. Yeah. What's that mean? Worst case scenario, they can run us off. Particularly old farms. Alright. We can go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Well, actually, I'm gonna go this way. Alright. This place is loud. It's hard to get around quietly.
those wheels.
I say we get out of here. Alright, bring it back in a second. Alright, we're on our way out of here now. Figure it's time to vacate. We might have somebody here with us. Record this last barn, and then we'll close up the video. This place is pretty neat though. I don't think I've ever done a dairy farm before. Oh yeah, it's not that out of place. This is not where we crossed. No. Yeah, because that's a little drop off. Well, actually, if it goes right out, let's just go this way. Alright. Let me wrap this up real quick. Alright. This has been Major Explorations in Purple Haze. That's pretty much the end of the video. We gotta make it back to the bikes. Get all our gear back on, head down the road. I think I've got one more place I'm gonna record today, but I don't know yet. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share with anybody you think you like it. It's Shadowbaka signing off.